Hate it or love it, Facebook is still the most popular and powerful social media network in the world. With over 2 billion active users, Facebook is the best place for you and I to advertise our businesses. And you can only achieve that using an effective Facebook business page. And it's all for free. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your Facebook business page step by step, okay? So stay with me to the end, and after now, you watch it over and over for optimal understanding, alright? So let's get into my screen, let's get working.
Step number 1, setting up your page. Head over to facebook.com. Before we start, you need to understand you can't create a business page on Facebook unless you have a personal Facebook account attached to it. And this is because Facebook required all business page to have at least one administrator to manage the page, and this is only feasible by tying a Facebook page to a personal account. And before you ask, anyone seeing your business page will not be able to trace you back to your personal profile, as they are two different entities. So relax. If you don't have Facebook page yet, you can fill all this information and sign up immediately. But if you have, just log into your profile. Once you've logged in, at the top blue ribbon, you can click on the create button, and this will bring you to this page. You'll be given a choice of creating your page in 2 categories. The first category is called business or brand. You should select this category if you are a business owner that sells services or products. And if you are a public figure, a musician, a church group, or any kind of organization, you should select the second option, community or public figure. Since this video is targeted on local business, let's choose business or brand. The next step is choosing a name for your page. What you want to do here is to introduce your business name. And today, I am going to create a page, Planet Hairdressing. The next thing is to pick the right business category that rightfully represents your business. Just write it down here. And based on suggestion, you choose hair salon. Add your address where your business is located. The phone number is optional, so it's up to you, but my recommendation is for you to add it. Then you click next. You will then be asked to add some pictures, which is cover photo and profile picture. Keep this page for now. Your page is now set up and live on Facebook for everyone to see. At this stage, it looks very bad, and that does not reflect your business at all. That's why I will recommend you to unpublish it before you are through creating it, okay? Just go to settings, and on the general tab, click on the page visibility, then click on page, unpublish, and save changes. You select the reason why you want to unpublish your page, then click on the unpublished. Close the dialog box. Then on the top left hand side, you click back on the page link, which will take you back to your newly created page. Step number 2, branding your page. The first thing we're going to do is adding a profile picture to your page. Your profile picture will appear on every post, comments that you do on Facebook using your page. So it's a good idea to add your logo in there. And the size is currently at 360 pixel by 360 pixel. If you do not have any logo available, but yet you want to make your page look professional and beautiful, head over to www.canva.com and log in with your Facebook account. Once you logged in, on the left hand side, click on create a design and choose the custom dimensions option. In the field, simply set the dimension to be 360 by 360 so it fits the profile picture of your Facebook page. Make sure it's pixel, then click on create a design. It will take you to a design area where you can start making your logo by simply dragging and dropping elements directly on the canvas. Honestly, I love canva.com, and I use it frequently to create simple designs and unique because they have many preset designs that you can simply edit. Now, using the search box, you can choose something related to your business. So I need something that will match with my Facebook page name and business. So I want something simple. So I'm going to go for this. just by clicking on it. So on my own, I can modify everything here: the background, the color, and the text. So just click on the background and modify the color using the palette at the top. Even the image can be modified so that you can write your own business name. And once you are done creating your profile picture, click on the publish button on the right side and download. After downloading, all you need to do is to upload it to your profile page. Go back to your Facebook page and click on the profile picture. You see an update appearing on it. Then choose and upload your newly created logo. Open it, add a description to it, and upload. Time to add a cover to our page. Let's go back to canva.com. This time you need to specify the dimension. Just click on the create design and search for Facebook cover. Once again, choose something related to your business and modify it to your need. And mind you, maintain the same color in order to make your page professional, and it will make it more appealing. Once you are done, go back to your Facebook page, click on the add a cover button, then load your Facebook cover you just created on Canva and save it. Then you upload it as your cover page. For those of you who don't want to use Canva and need to know the right dimension on a cover page, it's 820 pixel by 312 pixel. Our page is now looking nice and sweet for our brand. Let's go to our next step. If you click on the Facebook cover, you can add some comments and description. Alright? It can be particularly useful when people decide to share your cover, and it will give you the opportunity for people to go directly to your website or to give them more information. Step 3. Add a call to action button to your page. On every Facebook page, there is an option to add an action button located here at the right. This is an opportunity to encourage your visitors to take action, such as visiting your website, making a booking, giving you a call, and overall helps you to generate more leads, increase in sales. To select an action button, just click on the add a button. You will see a list of categories you can choose from. Within each category, they have several options available. Browse through the various categories and choose the one most appropriate for your business. For example, for my hairdressing appointment, I'm going to choose contact us category and call now button, then add my phone number so that anyone tapping this call now button, it will automatically create a call to my phone. Step number 4. Complete your business details. Often, when you are searching for a local business in Google, one of the first results that comes up organically is Facebook business page. This is because Facebook is so dominant that it overthrows all other results on Google organic results, even on websites. That is why you need to input all the information related to your business, because it will give good impression to your new visitors. Alright, so go to your page. On the left hand side, select the about option. If you can't see, just click on the see more button. It will expand the menu, then click about. Then go to the right edge and click on the edit page info. Then fill all the information that is needed: your description, your website address, your all appointment time, okay, that is needed. Still in the about section, add your business stories to get people who wants to find out about you. Add image, some great copies with relevant keywords, and another link to your website. Step number 5. Interact with your audience with automated messages. One great thing about running a Facebook page, you can interact with your audience even when you are not online, even more so when you are a busy business owner. First, You can display a greeting message that people will see the first time they start a conversation with you. To set this up, just go to your page settings at the top right hand side, choose the messaging option and choose to jump to the next section. Turn on the show a messenger greeting option and customize your message by clicking on the change button. An example of the message, the receiver will receive something like this. Change it to whatever you want. You can customize it further and customize by using the dynamic option, which are very nice. Let's choose first name option. Any customer will start a conversation with you. It will choose and refer them with their first name. If somebody responds to your greeting and you are not available to receive and reply or answer the question, you can set up a response functionality that will send instant reply message. To set this up, click on then switch on the instant reply button and click on edit and write your message. You can also automate some of the answer, which is great. Once you are done, then save at the top right hand side, then go back to your page and let's continue. Step number 6, configure your page menu. By default, Facebook will address this at the left hand side. You can customize this upon your needs and your business types. Go to your page settings and select templates and tabs option. If you scroll down, you will see a list of the default options available in your content. Then have your Facebook business page side by side with the menu settings. You can see what I'm talking about. To change the ordering, simply drag and drop. Maybe I want an offer tab to stay right at the top.
In order to entice your customers,
grab the component and drag it up and drop it and just refresh your page and you will see the changes. Step number 7, time to publish your first post. Your page is now ready to go. It's now time to make use the most of it and start making some few posts. But before you do that, at the beginning of this tutorial, we make this page unseen. But right now, it's time for us to open it back again. Go to your settings and in your general tab, click on page visibility, then check the page publish option and save changes. Go back to your page and publish your first post. Look at the few posts on my hairdressing page. Once your page has this post, it looks alive. But once you have that, it's time for us to move to our final step. Step number 8, invite your friends and create a vanity URL. Facebook will suggest you invite friends to like your page, which is good idea for 3 reasons. First, it will give your page an initial boost and help gather some momentum since you currently have 0 followers. Secondly, your friends might share the page with their friends, which will amplify your reach. Third, when you reach 25 likes, you will be able to create what is known as a vanity URL. If you don't know what vanity URL is, let me explain. Currently, your Facebook page is accessible by a unique URL, just like your website. In your case, the URL is this, just like your website. And this is very difficult to remember for anyone. You can, however, give your page an address that will be easy to remember. Just look at my own Facebook page, facebook.com/ this is what is known as a vanity URL. To do this, just click on the link, create a page, add a username as your profile. This will trigger a pop-up where you can create a memorable username and give you an easy to remember as your page. Then put in your business username without a space and then create a username. If you see a red message telling you are not eligible, it is because you have not reached 25 likes yet. So keep trying until you get there. To be honest, it will be very easy because I know you have thousands of friends already waiting for you to share this. After that, your Facebook page will be 100% complete.